Yeah.
And it was my dream to try and do something like this, to kind of go back to my roots, you know, back to what I can remember in 1999 before the Hawaii Theater event.
Right.
You know, I first heard Nina Kili'iwahamana for the first time at the Kamehameha School Song Contest. And that just took my breath away. I saw her perform Pua Tubarose, and I guess the theme was that bygone era with they had Atichino Kiave, you know, a lot of people from that time.
I remember that one. Yeah, the Hoike in the middle. Yeah.
And Nina Kili'iwahamana was so delightful, and I was inspired from then on. And my dad introduced me to Lina Machado CD and Lena Alahaile.
I did the Lina Machado too, you know.
Wow.
That's my baby.
Wow.
Yep. So that's why I'm so pleased to be involved in this project, because I got a thing for female vocalists. and I really like what you're doing. And,
I
you know what you represent.
I enjoyed, you know, because I feel that it is sort of a responsibility, but I enjoy doing it, you know.
He wore a malo and a coconut hat. One was for this and the other for that. All the people shouted as he went by. He was a cockeyed mare of Kanakakai.
It's really fun and cool because not too many people in my generation has the love to perform these songs of the past.
Sad but true. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, and I think I grew up with different influences. You know, I was very close with my grandmothers, both on my mom and dad's side, and I think it helps when you're little when you listen.
Yes.
You know, I was a big listener, and I would always enjoy their stories and their values and you know, the things that they were used to growing up, and I felt that thing was always in my soul, you know, the thing. And then when I finally heard the music of Nina Kili'iwahamana, Lena Alahaile, Lina Machado, just to name a few, and Kahuano Lake Trio, that's when everything inside of me came out, like, you know, and I just fell in love with it. I fell in love with it, and I did not want to let it go.